San Antonio has long proved that geography is destiny. The city is one of Texas's oldest settlements, going back 300 years. It has always resided at the crossroads of Texas history. The Alamo is the cradle of Texas liberty because of it. It is the state's most sacred shrine, where millions of tourists visit in reverent silence each year. Because of San Antonio's strategic location, the U.S. Army has been here continuously since 1845, the year Texas became a state. The great cattle drives passed through here. Teddy Roosevelt came to town to recruit his Rough Riders at the Menger Hotel. It is the only city in America that is officially named Military City. That's why San Antonio was years ago nicknamed the mother-in-law of the Army. For over 100 years, the major economic engines of the city were the military and tourism. About 20 years ago, that changed. Now the major engines are manufacturing. Tourism is strong, but now takes a backseat to these more powerful economic drivers. Given San Antonio's ideal position on the globe, where international roadways and skyways intersect, it is no wonder that manufacturing is flourishing and promises a ramped-up future. From pioneer flour that has been produced in the city since 1859 to Main Street manufacturers like Dixie Flag and Banner Company, we have heavy industry manufacturers like Toyota Motors and Caterpillar. Cox Manufacturing, which supplies Swiss machine parts to the world, is based here. In the aerospace world, we have Lockheed Martin and its top performing supplier, M2 Global. Boeing too is here with a vibrant aerospace campus at Port San Antonio. Medtronic and other famous medtech companies have major operations in the city as well. With these leaders, no wonder so many companies are flocking to San Antonio and thriving here. Demographers predict that San Antonio will become a super city over the next 50 years, merging with Austin to the north. Already people are surprised to learn that San Antonio is bigger than Dallas. It's the 7th largest city in America and poised to get much bigger because it is positioned to grow its economy in ways that other cities cannot. It is in the path of progress and set to be a major player in the 4th Industrial Revolution. The destiny of this geography looks to be highly profitable.